The primary motivation of each company is to create, serve, and keep a customer. In the current circumstances, business is about risk-taking and managing uncertainties and turbulence.
For many companies, there is a significant opportunity to leverage technology investments they've already made to further innovate using data. Digitization helps organizations reduce expenditure, increase productivity, and ensure a rapid return on capital investments.
While many emerging European countries are still lagging behind their Western peers as far as the level of digitization is concerned, the Microsoft Digital Futures Index shows that it's not all bad news. For example, Hungary and Malta have the highest percentage of companies that employ IT specialists, which is one of the key enablers of digital progress in business. Croatia scores the highest on above basic digital skills of the general population. Romania offers the best environment for digital nomads, and Estonia has the highest number of startups per capita. But the gap with Western European neighbours reinforces how big the scale of opportunity is. According to PwC's research, for example, in Poland, only 30% of companies assess their cloud transformation matrix as high, but all that can change.
The good news is that CE companies tend to implement cloud later, but better. They are moving towards large transformations instead of small projects. Another good news is that data and AI are the sweet spot for any digital and cloud transformation.
Country-level investment in IT, cloud, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence, both in the private and public sector, has the strongest correlation with innovation overall, and businesses that spend more on digital technology and services, especially cloud computing, are more innovative and productive.
With a strong foundation in the cloud, organizations can drive transformation in a matter of weeks, not years. Moving to the cloud is the fundamental step to becoming data-led.
When it comes to technology adoption, it is really important to understand that we can distinguish cloud-powered companies, the leaders in the cloud technology adoption, from all the others. And when we distinguish, we see that 3 times more companies, like 92% of US companies, look into cloud technology adoption as a potential for new revenue streams.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, Polish grocery chain Żabka used its existing platform to accelerate the development of new digital solutions. Today, Europe's largest chain of nearly 50 autonomous Żabka Nano stores, offering almost 2 million products, use smart store analytics to improve the shopping experience without cash, queues, and shop assistance.
There are 2 key areas that we're focusing on. One is how can we create more value for the consumer through analytics, and the other one, how can we run the store more efficiently. It is only possible in a store that is as sensor heavy and the data rich as the autonomous Żabka Nano store is.
Greek company Mytilineos, a global industrial and energy leader, uses AI-powered computer vision to transform the efficiency of loading goods onto ships, using feeds from existing dock cameras to analyze loading operations and develop a digital model. It has automated the formerly manual task of checking off inventory and quantities, significantly reducing errors and delays.
The system uses video from the existing cameras and works with accuracy. We can identify forklifts going in or out of the stockyard and even detect anomalies. We are better at our on-time, in-full deliveries to the customers, and it's very positive for our workers too. With the process automated, our workers can use their time more effectively in other roles.
According to a recent PwC CEO survey, nearly 45% of CEOs in CEE think their organizations will not be economically viable in a decade if they continue on their current path. They will need to continue reinvesting the business. Examples prove that digital transformation and technology can help companies strengthen their resilience and perseverance and increase their competitive advantage.